Hey, this is Jack at TC3. Today we're going to replace a Cadillac SRX key fob battery. Yeah, took the remote and doesn't want to start the Caddy anymore. So this is the message you get. Use transmitter pocket, which is inside like where your elbow rest compartment is, in case you don't know. If you put it there, it will start it. However, this needs a new battery, so this is what we're going to do. Take the fob, that one button that's at the very top, the dark one, you depress that and your key just pulls out. You literally need no tools for this job. The owner's manual says, stick your key in that one slot right there and just twist your key and it'll start to pry the two sides apart. So you have to get maybe the first two, and then you're just going to pull it apart. It'll just unclip. Feels like you're going to break it, but you're not going to break it. Okay, so you got your two halves, your key fob, and your battery. So you're going to get your battery out of this little holder that's in there. Just pry it up a little. That whole holder will just come loose. If that happens, you didn't break it. You just need to push it. All the connections are made on the other side of the fob. So just push that back in the spot it comes from. Again, it's a CR2032 battery. You put the side that says plus down, like you see that kind of Brady looking side, or the smooth side would go up with no printing. So positive towards the bottom there. Make sure everything's in alignment. It's pretty simple, and then you're just going to push the two halves together. Start from the side with the Cadillac symbol, push it back down, and then just slide your key back in. That's about it. Anyway, I just thought I'd do a quick video on that. Best of luck with that. Thanks for watching.